Hello students, today we are starting with product of vectors. In the previous class we have discussed the addition of vectors. In this class we shall discuss product of vectors. First question for today, find the angle between the vectors I plus 2j plus 3k and 3i minus j plus 2k. Now let a bar is equal to I plus 2j plus 3k, b bar is equal to 3i minus j plus 2k. The formula is cos theta is equal to a bar dot b bar by modulus of a bar into modulus of b bar. Cos theta is equal to a bar I plus 2j plus 3k into 3i minus j plus 2k by under root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square is under root of 3 square minus 1 whole square plus 2 square. So this is nothing but cos theta is equal to 1 into 3, 3, 2 into minus 1, minus 2, 3 into 2, 6 by root of 1 plus 4 plus 9 into root of 1, 9 plus 1 plus 4. So this is nothing but 6 plus 3, 9 minus 2, 7 by root 14 into root 14 is equal to 7 by 14, which is equal to 1 by 2. So cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. This implies theta is equal to pi by 3. That is the first question. Let us discuss the next question. If the vectors two I plus lambda j minus k and 4i minus 2j plus 2k are perpendicular, find lambda. What is how to find lambda? Whenever two vectors are perpendicular, their dot product is 0. Okay. Let a bar is equal to 2i plus lambda j minus k, b bar is equal to 4i minus 2j plus 2k. We have a bar dot b bar is equal to 0, 2i plus lambda j minus k into 4i minus 2j plus 2k is equal to 0. How to find the dot product? 2 into 4, 8, lambda into minus 2 lambda, minus 2 into 1, minus 2 is equal to 0. 8 minus 2, 6 minus 2 lambda is equal to 0. Minus 2 lambda is equal to minus 6. Lambda is equal to minus 6 by minus 2. Lambda is equal to 3. So you got the lambda value as 3. I will give you similar kind of question. Take it for homework. What is the value of lambda? What is value of lambda if I minus lambda j plus 2k and 8i plus 6j minus k are at right angles. This is what you have to find. Take this for homework. Next. Okay. Third one. If a bar is equal to 2i minus j plus k, b bar is equal to I minus 3j minus 5k, find c bar such that a bar plus b bar plus c bar is equal to a bar plus c bar plus a bar comma b bar comma c bar forms sides of triangle. Solution: if a bar comma b bar comma c bar are sides of triangle, then a bar plus b bar plus c bar is equal to 0, c bar is equal to minus of a bar plus b bar, c bar is equal to minus of what is a bar. You have to remember this as a condition. Whenever these three forms sides of triangles, whenever the three vectors form sides of triangles, you have a bar plus b bar plus c bar is equal to 0. Here c bar is equal to minus of a bar plus b bar, minus a bar is what, 2i minus j plus k, plus b bar I minus 3j minus 5k. So c bar is equal to minus of 2i plus I, 3i, minus j minus 3j minus 4j, k minus 5k minus 4k. Take minus sign inside, you have c bar is equal to minus 3i plus 4j plus 4k. This is what is the value of c bar. Next, let us discuss some more problems. Find the angle between the planes between the planes r bar dot 2i minus j plus 2k is equal to 3. This r bar dot 3i plus 6j plus k is equal to 4. Now let n1 bar is equal to 2i minus j plus 2k, n2 bar is equal to 3i plus 6j plus k. We have cos theta is equal to n1 dot n2 by modulus of n1 into modulus of n2 bar. That is the angle. This is the formula for the angle. So cos theta is equal to 2i minus j plus 2k into 3i plus 6j plus k by modulus of n1 means 2 square minus 1 whole square plus 2 square. Here this is 3 square plus 6 square plus 1 square. So cos theta is equal to 2 3s are 6 minus 1 into 6 minus 6 plus 2 by under root of 4 plus 4 plus 1 9 into root of 9 plus 1 10 10 plus 36 46. So that is cos theta is equal to 2 by 3 into root 46. This is what you get. If you want theta, it is nothing but theta is equal to cos inverse 2 by 3 into root 46. This is what you have. We shall discuss the next problem. The next problem that you have is, here you are given two vectors a bar and b bar. A bar is 2i plus 2j minus 3k, b bar is 3i minus j plus 2k. You have to find the angle between 2a bar plus b bar and a plus 2b bar. Now a bar is what? 2i plus 2j minus 3k, b bar is 3i minus j plus 2k. First find the vectors 2a bar plus b bar and a plus 2b bar. 2a bar plus b bar is nothing but 2 into 2i plus 2j minus 3k plus 3i minus j plus 2k. 2s are 4i plus 4j minus 6k, 3i minus j plus 2k. 4i plus 3i, 7i, this 4j minus j, 3j, 2k minus 6k, minus 4k. So you got the value of 2a bar plus b, 2a bar plus b bar. Next, a bar plus 2b bar. What is a bar? 2i plus 2j minus 3k plus 2 into b bar, 3i minus j plus 2k. This is nothing but 2i plus 2j minus 3k plus 6i minus 2j plus 4k. 2i plus 6i, 8i plus 2j minus 2j cancel. 4k minus 3k plus k. Now you have to find the angle between these two. Let us call this as alpha, let us call this as beta. Angle between alpha bar and beta bar is cos theta is equal to alpha bar dot beta bar by modulus of alpha bar into modulus of beta bar. This is nothing but 7i plus 3j minus 4k into 8i plus k by under root of 7 square plus 3 square minus 4 square plus into root of 8 square plus 1 square. So this is nothing but 7 into 8, that is 56. 3j into 0, 3 into 0, that will give you 0, minus 4 into 1, that is minus 4 by under root of 49 plus 9 plus 12 into root of 64 plus 1. So that is 56 minus 4 will give you 52 by under root of 49 plus 9, 58, 68, and this is 70 into root 65. So this is the angle between alpha bar and beta bar. Let us discuss the next problem. Sorry, this is 12, this is 16, so you get 74. So that is 52 by 74 into 16.